Before you rush to add this Bosch impact wrench to your toolkit, there are some surprising downsides you might want to hear about. Stick around to find out more. The Bosch is a powerhouse in the realm of cordless impact wrenches. Its robust design is complemented by a sleek, ergonomic handle that ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use. The tool's weight distribution feels balanced, reducing user fatigue, a crucial factor when tackling demanding tasks. But does it look and feel as premium as its competitors? Absolutely. The high-quality materials and solid construction exude durability and reliability. One of the standout features is its high-torque motor, delivering up to 1,180 foot-pounds of fastening torque and an impressive 1,620 foot-pounds of max breakaway torque. This means it can effortlessly handle stubborn bolts and heavy-duty fastening applications. The inclusion of 3-speed torque settings offers users greater control over power output, making it versatile for various tasks. The friction ring and through-hole design allow for quick and secure socket changes, enhancing efficiency on the job. Additionally, the auto slowdown feature reduces RPMs when the fastener head is close to the workpiece, ensuring controlled driving. The auto stop function shuts the tool off when the screw head is flush with the workpiece, preventing overdriving and making repetitive driving tasks easier and more consistent. Moreover, the auto bolt release stops rotation when there's no load on the tool, helping to prevent accidentally dropping bolts and nuts during removal. For those who value connectivity, the tool is compatible with the Bosch Toolbox app via the optional connectivity module, allowing for enhanced customization options. The onboard user interface provides speed setting control and tool status feedback, keeping you informed during operation. In terms of value for money, the Bosch is priced competitively, especially considering the inclusion of 2 Core 18V 8.0 Ah batteries and an 18V charger. This ensures that you're well equipped for extended work periods without frequent charging. For the latest offers and pricing, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this tool? Cons. At 7.1 pounds, it may be heavy for prolonged overhead tasks. The module for app connectivity is sold separately, higher initial investment compared to some competitors. Pros. High torque, exceptional fastening and breakaway torque for heavy-duty applications. Versatility. Multiple speed settings for various tasks. User-friendly features, auto slowdown, auto stop, and auto bolt release. Battery life. Comes with 2 8.0 Ah batteries for extended use. Build quality. Durable construction with ergonomic design for comfortable handling. If you're looking for a reliable and powerful impact wrench, the Bosch is worth considering. Check out the Amazon link in the description for the latest offers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video.